What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, some of the other videos may still be muffled in the audio of the clips, and hopefully today my new microphone adapter, the Rode microphone and stuff, comes in from Amazon, hoping to better the sound quality of the videos, and I'm excited. So today I've been contemplating about swapping the CRX. Now, if you guys remember, a few months ago we did the NorCal CRX owners cruise, and we went on a 200-mile drive. I was beating on this car pretty hard to pop the engine so it can give me a reason to swap the GSR motor in, but that didn't happen. I went on a long 120-mile drive yesterday, and the car still drove amazing. Last night the axle on the passenger side was giving some crazy click-clacking noise, and you know, because the engine didn't pop, I think that's a good reason to finally just go ahead and swap it. 1 hour later. So plans changed. I got a passenger headlight and the old RT 4-wheel drive wagon hood that I swapped out. Now, the only thing about this is that it's pretty ugly on top, but the shape of the front and everything, the latch is all in the original spot. And my brother just informed me today, I didn't even notice when I walked around, that he got in a car accident yesterday. It's very unfortunate, but the frame is not bad at all. I'll you know, tie it up to the tree and use a ratchet strap, straighten it out, and work my magic on this because he needs the car to go to work. And today I'm gonna be trying to repair that. Damn, guys, this is the original hood to my wagon before the EF9 front, and it's battleship gray, just super dirty. This has been sitting in the backyard since 2000, I believe, 15, and I just mocked this one up just to get the body lines and everything straightened, because this one is dented, so I'd rather test fit with mine, and once I get everything all nice and straight, I'll swap over to that hood. Here we have the headlight swapped out to the 88 bracket. That should bolt right up. The bracket's pretty straight, surprisingly, so hopefully that goes back on how it came off. I just want to take a quick little break to show you guys my package from Amazon. And inside this box should be all of my mic adapter, accessories, and stuff. All right. Heck yeah. So this is the official GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter, which plugs up to the side of the mic for the Hero 5 Plus. And then we bought the Video Micro Rode microphone. It's a microphone, bro, so you can sing. Now, if you guys know, the GoPro has been taking a lot of like damages and stuff from, you know, maneuvering it around, dropping it here and there. So this case right here is actually full aluminum.
I see the camera.
No, what are you doing, bro?
I'm seeing the camera.
So it has a UV protector. It's full aluminum case, and the cool part about this is that it has the adapter on the top, which bolts up right here. Then allows me to use the Rode bracketry with the Rode mic up top to sit right on top of the GoPro. And yo, check that out, super sick. So I got this one because I think it fits the size of the case. Like, it's not too big, not too small. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install all of this on top of the GoPro and see how it works. we're making some really good progress. So I just been kind of hammering and pulling using a slide hammer right here and pulling out these little creases, but it's lining up really good. The hood shuts now, it locks, but the only thing is that I feel like it needs to come up a little bit more, like 1/4 of an inch, but it doesn't seem like it's going to go any more further forward. I'm going to put the headlight back on in a minute here, and then I'm going to close the hood and show you how the fitment is. It doesn't really bother me. It's not even my car, but I at least want it to be somewhat symmetrical. The other part is throwing me off too is this corner light is completely all smashed up, and it leaves this nice sized gap right here. But I'm going to assemble it real quick and show you how it looks, and then we'll go from there. Hood is latched, right? Headlight, corner lamp is in place, but see what I'm talking about is broken right here, and I thought, man, this is a giant ass gap. But what it is the part that's broken off kind of like, you know, it exceeds the edge of the inside corner lamp, and then it meets right here. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but the back piece of the corner lamp is in the back. This piece I'm talking about, and then the lens goes over it where it meets the headlight and closes that gap. So I'm like super thrown off because of it, but I'm not worried about it. The fender's not damaged, corner lamp fits the same. But what bothers me is you can see the top of the headlight, it's like super flush with the edge, where this side, here's the edge, and then the edge of the headlight is about 1/2 inch forward. Now I can do the alignment screw and pull the headlight outward, but I don't know how far we can adjust it out to make it look even like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just adjust a little bit more before we throw the bumper on and see the fitment of it. And I was talking to Chris and Honda Vlogs, and the thing about this mic, and I've noticed this too, the mic, when it's facing me, I'm sure you can hear it clearly, but when I turn the camera around to show you what it is that I'm doing, the audio might sound like I'm further away because the mic is now pointing in the opposite direction. But I hope you guys can still hear me somewhat, as long as it's not muffled, right? So let's get back. I stand corrected. So maybe it was just the adjustment screw, because I kind of turned it a few times, and look at that, matched up to this side. Now I won't know the headlight alignment until nightfall. Push it out to the street, check out where the headlights are pointing, and then adjust again. But I think that's pretty much I'm gonna do as far as pulling the frame out, because it looks good. I'm probably gonna tell my brother, like, buy some corner lights off of eBay, some if they offer it in 88, 89. Otherwise, if you guys have any Wagon specific 88, 89 corner lamp passenger side, let me know, I'll buy it. But other than that, I'm gonna slap the bumper on now, see how it looks overall, and if everything looks good, we'll slap the other hood on, clean this one up, put it back in storage, and be done with this. Both corner lamps, high beam, low beam, bumper lamps, all fully functioning. Well, except this guy, because kind of have to push it in there, and it works. Not exactly sure what he's doing back there, but he's going to town on that old hood. This transmission is donezo, boys. Donezo. And you know, lucky for me, I scored 2 GSR tranny in the yard. I have the Hasport hydro mount, and I have the actuator. Actually, I don't anymore because I'm using that for the CRX. But if my brother wants to rock one of the GSR transmission, I'll swap it because this one is like, it's really bad. Here's all the ugliness, and I'm surprised that it's still latched, but it's just freaking plain up ugly. Needless to say, he has a headlight, all the lights work, he can drive at night. He just took my mom's car to work, but his car is ready to go. So that's pretty much going to be it for today. And you know, tomorrow I promise you guys I will be swapping the CRX. And what's all that smoke? Hey, you have anger problems?
Yeah.
Have at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Saving my brother's car because I know he loves it, and you know, it hurts me that the EF is messed up frame wise, but it's good to go. And Meow Meow's hungry, so I gotta feed him. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.